Guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So guys, on this day I was still preparing for Ramadan. So guys, I will be writing majority of the things. So firstly, we are doing Seekh kebab. Firstly, what we do is I just roast a few spices, then I grind everything together. Yeah, you saw me roasting coriander powder. It's because when I buy coriander powder in the shop, I wash it, and then I put it outside to get dry, and then I put it in my oven sometimes, and then I grind it so that it's always ready for me whenever I need it, because obviously when I wash it same time I just want to finish the whole procedure with it. Yeah, so that's why I'm just re-roasting it with the other spices, but it wasn't necessary. But if it's seeds, you roast it like that, and then obviously I've grinded all my spices, put with the ghee, and then you saw that I put in the blender onions, coriander powder. Coriander powder, you can actually just cut it aside, and then green chili. Then yeah, now I'm bringing my meat that when I'm in a shop, is usually when you go to the butchery, there's two different kinds of meats. There's one that's got more fat, and they sell the one that doesn't have so much fat. So I choose the one that's got more fat since I'm making kebabs. Yeah, usually means I make it myself in the house, but then that one that I'm making in myself in the house is just steak with no fat. Yeah, I usually use it for other things, but for kebabs, choose the one with fat, because then the kebabs, they are tasty, they are not dry. Yeah, then you get any kind of rod in your house, or those bamboo sticks, and yeah, you make this procedure, but you at least you must get something that is thicker like this, as you see what I'm using. You come with your ghee, you just brush it slightly on your pan, and then you put your kebabs. And then you fry it up until they are done. Try not to over fry them. Yeah, then the taste, it just won't be like how it's supposed to be. Just fry it up until they are done, and then yeah, then you take them out. So here I was actually creating that smoky taste in my kebabs. I just put that coil there, and then I close with the lid. I don't know what happened to that clip, but then I close with the lid so that my kebabs can get that smoke as if I did it outside, like I fried them. Yeah guys, now my kebabs were ready, and they were looking so lovely and yummy. Let's say looking is not good enough, they were tasty. And then here we're starting to do our Turkish kebab, which is our chicken Turkish kebab. So this is me taking pictures here for my Instagram page, which I hardly post, I don't know why. And then we come with our red onions, green chili, bell pepper, and coriander. You chop finely, and then you come with your mince. So now what I did with this mince is I wash it. I washed the breast, not the mince. I washed the breast, chicken breast, and then I put it on my strainer, on like put a blade under obviously, and then put on the strainer, and then I let all the water that was in that chicken breast to just drip down until it's dry completely. So you must do it the previous day. And then when I grind it, it was dry. Yeah guys, we do it with our hands, we mix with our hands. Don't mix it with what do you call it, a food processor, because then you're overdoing it after that. Yeah, then you come with your ghee. I'll write all the spices here because chicken breast is dry, so that was the reason we're putting the ghee, just to balance the fat nicely. Then you can make any shape of your choice, like you can make like how I made the Seekh kebab also. Yeah, but I just prefer to do what I did right now. So as you can see, the drier the meat, then the process is kind of like easy to do. So just make sure that your breast is dry, is not like, doesn't have water. Then I came again with the ghee, guys, or you can actually even come with the butter. It's up to you. Then you fry it like so. You wrap a bit of butter in it. Remember, our chicken breast is dry. So if you like, also you can use thigh, chicken thigh without bones. Obviously you have to take out the meat from the bone. Yeah guys, it was looking lovely as you can see, and it was tasty. So when it comes to these kebabs, it really depends which one do you like, whether you like, are you a beef lover or you chicken lover. So yeah, but we love beef in this house. Yeah, so here now I won't be cooking, I won't be showing the cooking of these things I'm doing now. I'm just preparing all my things for during Ramadan, one of the meals for during Ramadan. Yeah, so here I was doing tandoori chicken, which yeah, so all the instructions are actually written on the tandoori masala box. So you can just, if you really want to know how to make this, it's written everything so simple. You can just follow what is in the box, and yeah, you will get the result. Yeah, so on the day when I would be making this, I just take it out as it is, put it in the oven, and then I make roti, and we eat it with yogurt chutney and green salad. Easy, simple, no standing at all. This is just one of my lazy meal that I like to make. Guys, I was showing you this knife. This knife I bought at Game, one of the best knives I've had, like seriously. It's the best. You can check it out. It's on the pricey side, but you know what, it's worth it. It's really worth it. Yeah, as you can see, I'm putting now my meat, and then I'll just be mixing everything nicely together. Then I'm closing tight. Now it's off to my freezer. So here I'm preparing chicken kebabs and chicken strips. So we cut our chicken kebabs like how you saw in cubes. Yeah, so I didn't have cumin powder, so I was quickly just preparing that. So if you like, you can roast your cumin first, then you can grind it. Yeah, and then I put all the spices inside, and yeah, you came with your yogurt, your red chili, black pepper, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, and our cumin seeds, the one we just finished grinding right now, paprika, and chicken spice. Chicken tikka, one of my favorite spice, guys. When it comes to Shan spices, I love chicken tikka. That was a garlic, ginger, and red chili mix that I make it myself in the house, and soya sauce, a bit of soya sauce. Mix it, then you come with your chicken. So guys, in the future I will share which one my favorite Shan spices, because if you've been following me for some time, you'll know that I love Shan spices, usually because how much I love them. I don't buy them here where I stay in my town. Whenever I go to Johannesburg, I do a bit of stocking on them, which is usually just once a year. Yeah, so I buy what I would like to use. I buy a bit more of that so that I have it enough. Yeah, because if I buy it here, it's a bit pricey compare if I will go and buy it in Johannesburg. So guys, my chicken kebabs was ready to go to my freezer, and then we come with preparing here our chicken strips. I will be making it with chips, like I kind of like make chicken strips and chips casserole. So it's just easy: mayonnaise, nando sauce, chicken spice, your garlic and ginger. Yeah, and then you mix it. Then it's ready. It's waiting for that day. I'll just defrost it maybe the previous day, take it out from my freezer, put it in the fridge, and then I'll make it the following day. Yeah, so now we are starting to make beef patties with what else I was making with this meatballs. Yeah, beef patties and meatballs. Always take it out the water from the onions if you're making things like this, as the onions just have so much water that it will just mess up whatever you are making. Yeah, so I'm just adding, I'm creating breadcrumbs. This is my lazy self here doing this. You can just use breadcrumbs, like do them aside, don't do like me, you know. I was tired at this time. Yeah, so and then here this is coriander with parsley, fresh parsley, and my garlic here that I'm grating. But this here, you see here, I will put it when I'm making meatballs. So right now we are just preparing these means for patties. So what I put there was black pepper, salt, bicarbonate of soda. Now I'm putting chili flakes. Then we mix it. And guys, here is just me improvising. You know what, always when I buy, because always when I do it myself in the house, I always use a plastic. But whenever I do buy patties that are already made, they put them on the paper, on the, is it the baking paper or parchment paper, I don't know, but that paper, you see, when you take out from the fridge and you want to do your patties same time, that paper, it's majority of the time gets stuck to the meat. So that's why I prefer to use plastic. That's what works for me. So I do it like this. Yeah, so this is like 2 days, 2 different days. Yeah, because we won't be eating all of that in one day. Yeah, I pack it, then it's ready to go to my freezer. Okay guys, now we're starting to prepare our meatballs. This is what I made earlier on. You saw I grind this, it was toast, bread, and then yeah, I grind it with the onions. Yeah, and then this as our parsley and coriander powder. Then we put all our spices, which is garam masala, coriander powder, black pepper, you name it, I'll write it down. And then you come with your egg and then you mix it. Mix it well, and then just so that I'm able to work nicely, then I put a bit of ghee on my hands, and then voila, we make our meatballs. Because I freeze it same time in I put it in my plastics and I freeze it same time, so I don't want it to stick together. So I still do the same thing with the meatballs. I just put it individually in the plastics, then I wrap it. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video. I will be posting a bit more. I'm kind of late with posting my Ramadan preps, but anyway, it is what it is. But I will be posting more of the videos. Yeah. Okay guys, to all our Muslim brothers and sisters, Ramadan Mubarak. May we all reach it, and may Allah make it easy for us. May this Ramadan increase our faith. And yeah guys, Assalamu alaikum.